How y'all doing? Pat here, just leaving Carrollton, Ohio. I'm gonna go try to find some dirt roads in the area. There's one road a buddy of mine told me about I'm gonna try to find, and other than that I have no real plan. So we are just gonna stay on State Route 39 here for a while. And here comes the truck, better go. And go up here and try to find some dirt roads. So if you're interested to see what I find, because I don't know yet, stick around, stay tuned, and please hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back right after this. Even if you're not into dirt riding, this part of Ohio is pretty nice. So don't be afraid to come out here and explore the paved roads. You won't regret it. Well, first dirt of the day. We've had a whole bunch of rain the last couple of days, so who knows if these roads are even going to be passable in spots. Oh, hey, for once I'm recording. Holy crap! Oh, shoot. No buddies? Well, can't say I'm disappointed about no buddies, but yeah. I'm assuming this is a road. The last one I went to go turn down had a no outlet sign that I just caught just in time. We'll see. I don't know if that's going to show up, but we'll try. Township Road 290. It's a nice brick house. Boy, this dirt road's crazy wide. I think this is the Township Road 61 my friend told me about. Nice thing with all the rain is keeping all the dust down. The road is just a hair soft, but not muddy soft, which is good. Bush Creek 54 is what the sign said. I do have the Rever app on my phone recording this whole journey. I'm not going to do any editing to it. I'll put a link. Yeah, I guess it's the first comment down below. If you're a Rever member, I know you can download the GPX file. If not, I think it will just bring up a map that you can kind of look at, but I don't believe it's a really good interactive map for non-members. Maybe I'll do something with Google Maps. I don't know. It is quite a bit of work. Oh, foxes. I wondered what I missed just a minute ago. Sorry for the tilted angle. This is the best I can do. Let me see if I can get off the bike for a minute. Not a GPS route, no through trucks. Yeah, it should be dirt for a little bit by the looks of the GPS here, but not always, so we'll see. I don't care either way, to be brutally honest. I'm just enjoying the remoteness. Township Road 274. What township? I have no idea.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on Springfield Circle Green.
No, Ross Township 290. I don't see any road closed or no outlet signs. Quite the hill though. I'm on Township Road 61. I don't know if it's the same one I was on earlier or this is a different one. I truly don't know where I am. But I don't care. It's the beauty of owning a GPS. Just hit the go home button. Check out the bridge. Cool. Well, I made a right turn on a little Y right back there. I have no idea what this road is called. Well, unless it's still Township Road 61. There was definitely no signs. This is amazing back here. Someone wants you to know this is all private property. There are signs everywhere. I'm not really sure if this is a road or not. Sure is in bad shape, whatever it is. Must be a road. There's a high-speed internet sign. Oh crap, don't want to sit on this road. Oh, lots of potholes. Yeah, I wasn't recording back there, and it looked like a flight of B-52s had carpet bombed that part of the road back there. Holy crap. Man, have I been all over the place today on this area. Backtracked a few different roads a few times and meant to take this road earlier today and completely missed it. I'm sure the map is going to look very interesting. Hey, look at that. We got a tree down. I guess those bumps were as bad as I thought. One heck of a wide road. They've actually got pipeline construction going on in this area, so I guess it's not all dead, thankfully. Alright, this is a different road that I haven't been on yet today. Well, Brush Creek 61. I don't know, I've been on a couple of different 61s today. Is this the same road? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Yeah, I went that way last time. So I have been back here before today. It's amazing when you don't know an area how you can redo stuff. Yeah, whatever. Oh, there goes another deer, and I'm actually recording. Yeah, let's just hope we don't have any friends with him. Or I should say she. You know what? I think I came down this hill. Oh God, I am so lost. I mean, not really lost, but I just don't know what road I've been up, what road I've been down. Whatever. I'm having fun. That's all that matters. Well, I have made another random turn. I have no clue if I've been on this road yet or not. There's a whole bunch of branches up here. I think this is going to take me back to where I was, if nothing else. We'll see. Now that I'm on 61 for the third or fourth freaking time today, I'm going to make this left right here if I don't miss it again. Yeah, not that left. This one. Guess what? I'm probably still in second gear. Oh well. Temperature sure is nice back here. Nice and cool. Uh-oh, big stick. Okay, little stick. Hope this doesn't dead end into somebody's property. I've done already enough of that this year. No, it appears to go back into that road I was on just a few minutes ago. Ever feel like you're going in circles? It's because I have been. Alright, we got the loose cows everywhere. No fencing. They're just whatever. Hard to believe that's going on in Ohio. I've seen it a lot out west. But anyway, this is going to be the end of my video. Hope you didn't get too dizzy going back and forth up and down the same roads and in many, many circles. And I know the map won't make any sense, but I'm going to post it anyway. If you would, please smash the thumbs up and subscribe button if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.